Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super gorgeous greeting card for New Year, that is 2026, and I have created these digits using paper quilling strips, and also I will share how to make the shaded background, how to create these gorgeous flower composition, and each and every step I will share in the detail. And inside the card, of course, you can write your special sentiment. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I have taken 2026 numbers on my tab and I'm just simply tracing it directly on tracing paper. You can also open these digits on your mobile phone. Just take it according to your required size. I am taking here approximately 6 cm height of the numbers. And now I am taking one white color cardstock in the bottom and tracing my digit 2 using pencil like this. So you will have the marking in the bottom, and now I am just darkening it little bit more. This is the easiest way I found to create your own digits. And now with the similar method I am going to trace remaining numbers, that is 0, 6 and one more 2. Now here I am coloring the digit from inside using light baby pink color. This is the acrylic color. Similarly, I have colored remaining numbers. And then it's time to do the quilling outline. So here on the edge I am adding glue, and using baby pink colored 3mm quilling strip I am doing the outlining work. You can take the help of tweezers, do it slowly, and you can make the outline very easily. So just completing it from all the sides. And this is ready. With the similar method I have outlined all my remaining digits. Now it's time to do the quilling work inside this. So here I am using very basic simple shapes like leaf shape, coils, scroll, tight coils. So these are super duper easy to make, and whatever design you want to fill your digit, you can use those patterns. Here I am using some leaf shapes in zigzag manner, and for all filling work I am using light pink 3mm strip and white color strip tight coils to fill smaller spaces. So quickly completing it. And this is completely ready. Added few tight coils here and there just to fill the gaps. And now it's time to fussy cut this from outline or from the edge using scissor. So this is ready. With the same method I have created the 0, one more 2 and 6 digit. So our 2026 is completely ready. Now it's time to decorate these digits on our greeting card base. So here I am taking white color cardstock, which is 20 by 12 centimeters, and I am just creating my own handmade or pattern paper using this beautiful stencil. So just putting the stencil in one corner and using yellow color distress ink, I am doing some stencil work in all 4 corners. So the beautiful pattern paper is ready. Now to create the card base, here I am taking 26 by 21 centimeter 300 GSM white color cardstock, just folding it from center, burnish it nicely using bone folder for crisp fold. Then on top of this I am adding baby pink color cardstock, which is 250 GSM in thickness, and this measures 20.5 by 12.5 centimeters. So quickly sticking it. And then on top of this I am adding my handmade pattern paper. Then here in the bottom, by leaving little gap, I am making one horizontal line on which we are going to attach our digits. So I have roughly arranged all my digits, and one by one I am sticking it using glue. So the base for card is ready. Now it's time to make our beautiful quilling flowers. For my first flower, here I am taking one strip of peach color, making one Malaysian flower petal and wrapping this petal using orange color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 9 petals. And in the center I am adding half cut pearl. So the flower is ready. Then for the next flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one pointed teardrop shape. And joining total 8 petals together. In the center I am adding yellow color tight coil which is made using half strip. For my all flowers and leaves, here I am using 2 mm strips or 1 mm strips. Just doing little shading work on each petal using yellow color to give little depth inside the flower and to give it realistic look. With the same method we need 4 flowers. Now for the next flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, joining 4 petals together and adding one stone in the center, so the flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 6 flowers. Then similarly, I have prepared 6 more flowers using pink color in 1 mm. These are simple leaf shapes just like we did before with purple flower, and also made some leaves using 1/4 strip of sap green color in 2 mm and some scrolls using sap green in darker and lighter tone. These are also 2 mm strips. So all the shapes are ready. Now taking back my card, and I am decorating my card from top and from both the bottom corners. So one by one arranging all the flowers, leaves and scrolls to decorate my card. It's done. Then randomly here and there I am adding some half cut pearls to decorate it little more. And then in one of the corner I am adding sentiment welcome, which is handwritten using brush pen and diagonally connecting on one corner. So it will be like welcome 2026, and our super cute quill greeting card to welcome New Year is completely ready, and I'm sure you will try this very soon. Inside the card you can write your special message for your special person. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.